A Scandinavian Christmas, spent with the dearest of kin. The cold held no bounds, and for days kept us in. But we were kept warm. The cottage held us tight. With loved ones close by, all turned to delight. There was laughter and games and traditional fare. Many days spent together without one single care. The joy was increased to spend time so sweet, with family to hug and new babies to meet. And eventually, we sled down those rough hills over thick sheets of ice, and despite the rough ride, we didn't really think twice. Well, maybe we did. And it got me thinking, it's funny to think that in 6 months' time, this whole landscape will shift into a new paradigm. For now, we will revel in the beauty and the chill, and we'll enjoy these cold days till we all get our fill. And once that occurs, to the cottage we will go to rest ourselves away from the wind and the snow. Where there's Scandi rice and meatballs too, and cookies galore, what's a girl to do? Pickled herring and salmon and trout, so delish. Raclettes are served, even though they're not really Swedish. These memories made here will forever make my heart sing. It's a Scandinavian Christmas, truly fit for a king.